Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Came down to play with some paint again in my little basement studio. And today I have a 11 by 14 inch canvas, and I'm going to do a double flip cup on it. These cups are about 3 ounces, I believe, and I am going to use a few different colors. I have an Artist Loft Turquoise. I have a Quinacridone Magenta, that's the basics. A Master's Touch Ultramarine. Master's Touch Viridian. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Cadmium Yellow Light in here. And I think I'm going to start out what's going to be with the Viridian in the cup. I think this is an opaque paint. And my thought is, I think that's going to drop down through the other colors. I also have some of the Satin Enamel. Put a tiny bit of that in between the colors. And I'm going to go to my Ultramarine. I'm just layering them in the cup. Tiny bit of the Satin Enamel. Just going to see what happens here. Some of the Quinacridone Magenta. I love this color. Layer it in there. And then the turquoise. Tiny bit of this. And then I'm going to top it off with the Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. Might lose this with it being on the bottom, but we'll see. Bring the canvas down a little bit, a little closer view. Zoom you in, and put one here. I have a base white down already on a previously used canvas. Not sure how this is going to turn out with these colors. If I like it, maybe I'll go ahead and make a larger one. But for now, we'll just use this one. There's no silicone in my paints, just paint, Floetrol, and water. Let's start with this. Did not pull it down far enough. Should have been a little faster. Let's see if I can do it faster with this one. There we go. Run out onto the corner. I wish you could save these. They look so cool inside. Okay. Just going to move it just a little bit first. Bring it down. I might have to build another cup. Nah, this will be enough. I hope. Okay. Give it a torch. Get rid of the air bubbles. Okay. Rock it back and forth a little bit. I want these to meet. But that yellow did not disappear, it's for sure. I thought it would be completely gone. Just going to try and tilt it slowly. Bring it down to that corner. Back up. See if I can get the other top corner. Put my hand down here and catch it. Back up. And bring it down a little bit. Let's see if I can get this to stretch out. Turn it around. Because I have two different cups, the weight of the paint is in two separate areas. I'm just trying to get them to move together. Go down and get that corner. I hope. Here we go. Back. The paint is right in the middle there, so I'm going to try and get it to move off the side here. Give it a little help. Down this way. Try and get that last corner over here. You can do it. Perfect. Bring it back. And my cells went a little wonky on me. It didn't get nice. I stretched it too much. I should have used a little bit more paint, and then I would have had nice round cells in here. I wouldn't have had to stretch it so far. Turn it this way. If it wants to move anymore. I do like these colors together. They're very pretty. Very pretty. Corners. Okay. Take my glove off because it's really bad. Real slimy. Give it a torch. Got a lot of little white speckles coming up through. I'm not sure what that satin enamel is going to do. So I think I'll let it sit for a little bit and we'll come back. Okay, so it has been probably about 20 minutes and this hasn't changed a whole lot. There's a little bit of cloudiness going on over here from the satin enamel, but I absolutely love the little veins and lines in here. I've got some tiny little cells over here, some really, really cool turquoise outlines over here. Pick it up to show you. That part right there is my favorite. And you come up here and the turquoise come up through with that magenta, blue. The yellow kind of turned into a little bit of a green with all the blues in there, and there's some little tiny cells popping up here that might change after some time. And that really bright ultramarine blue right there. So thanks for visiting with me, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good night. Bye.